I'm Ryan Hill here in Vero Beach for Dyer Chevrolet. Just want to show you this beautiful custom Sherrod 6-inch lifted LZ-1 edition Silverado RST package. It's powered by your 5.3 liter V8. You have your custom hood scoop. You have your park assist in the front and rear. It's on 20-inch wheels with 35-inch tires. And you have the beautiful American flag here on the side too as well. All right, let's take a step on the inside and check out what this truck has to offer. All right, here's the inside of the Sherrod. You have beautiful custom leather with Sherrod's name in the headrest too as well. Sherrod even put yourself locking safe in here too in your center console. And then on your RST, what's cool about this, you have your park assist, power liftgate, you have your 110 plug-in, heated seats. That wraps on the inside here. And let's take a look at the back of the truck. All right, here we're at the back of the Sherrod. You have the power release, easy lift tailgate. On the inside here, you have your 120 volt. That's great for your construction workers. Anyone that does at-home projects, you can hit your power tools cranked up right to your truck. Easy to lift too as well. Like I said, literally 2 fingers, picks up the tailgate, closes it for you. Thanks again for taking a look at the Sherrod with me. My name's Ryan. If you have any questions about it, give us a call here at Dyer Chevrolet or come see us at 772-469-3000.